What is up, guys? So I'm going to attempt to put this gearbox together, put the gasket in. Take two, I guess. Okay, I'm going to put some grease on the roller bearings and probably on a few other bearings, but after the gearbox is together. Okay, so attempting to put the reverse gear on, and okay, so it fits quite nicely. Put this whole assembly on. So, got the reverse gear on once, I'm sure I can do it again. Okay, so we'll put the bolts in, and we'll pull it down and see if that thing will seat nicely. Okay, so I've lined up there's facets on the inside, hopefully, and then I'm just going to give it a couple of knocks and see what happens. Maybe we can use some heat. Safety first, let's just see how this thing works. 1 kilogram, break that thing, shoot at the base of the flames, should be fine. This is a 13mm socket, let's try it. Yeah, so that's coming through nicely, quite nice and straight. So this could be the moment of truth where those little facets are supposed to mesh, case, and the bearing. It's going down quite easily, so let's hope. I think that's what they call finger tight. So when I heated it up, the glue melted a little bit. I think my method worked. That little notch over there is in place with my line. I'm going to try and get this glue out now. Okay, so listen to this. Sounds a bit rough, but don't know anything about this.